Yeah, we can talk forever. Let's talk about my father's wife.
Yes.
My father's wife, tama?
Yeah.
You play Vivian.
Yes, I play Vivian. She's a feisty person.
She is.
And a very loving first girlfriend to Gabby. So that's my character.
Okay.
So papasok si first girlfriend, magkakagulo sila, of course. And let's see what happens in the process.
Kumusta si Gabby?
I love working with Gabby.
I know,
I mean, he's so much fun. Pero Gabby, ha, may kasalanan ka sa akin dahil sa pickleball hanggang hindi ko magalaw yung arm ko. Kasi si Gabby, yung parang yun ang bonding niya sa cast. He invites everybody to play pickleball. And tagal ko nang hindi nagte-tennis or badminton. Sabi ko, ayoko. You have to move your body. You come here na ganyan. Sige na nga. So pumunta ako. Eh di, ito naman si Bonnevie, syempre, cross-court ang mga palo, mga bakal, Gabby, ang sakit-sakit.
She used to play tennis. By the way.
Ayan.
Okay, so pickleball should be easy.
It's like ping-pong, pero nakatayo ka.
Tama. Ano ang aabangan namin?
Pero nakakatuwa siya kasi aabangan ninyo yung mga eksena namin ni Gabby na very heartwarming naman. Pero this is the first time na ako naliligaw sa guy. Hindi ko bet! Hindi ko bet! Parang hello! My God, never in my entire life ako maghabol ng lalaki, when so many are falling at my feet. Why should I even chase a man? Pero doon ganda-gandahan si Gabby, siya yung hinahabol-habol ko. Pero it's fun kasi alam mo, ang nakakatuwa sa kanya, dati lagi ko siyang inaaway. Gabby, ano ba paulitin? Minemorize mo na ba? Ngayon, ang bilis niya mag-memorize.
Di ba?
Yes.
Some people change,
And he's so much fun to be around with. Kasi, light lang siya. At iba ng
aura, ha? I bumped into him downstairs. Ibang aura ni Gabby.
Very positive ang aura niya. Tsaka, syempre, pogi pa rin.
Hindi nawawala yun.
We used to call him Mr. Red Lips.
Totoo naman.
Pero hindi siya nagli-lipstick. Talagang red lang ang lips niya. Nakakatuwa siya, and still a very good actor. I would say, mas seasoned actor na siya ngayon.
Totoo.
And of course, it was nice being reunited with Kazel Kinuchi. Hi, Kazel.
How are you looking at what's next? I mean, now that, you're doing a show and you're doing My Father's Wife, are you able to look into it? Or you're more focused on the now?
I always focus on my favorite verse, Jeremiah 29:11. That says, "For I have plans for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future." So even if sometimes I feel that God is not there, although I feel na, kasi at that time wala akong nakikita, I know that God has plans for me, and it's a plan to prosper me, plans to give me a hope. I just hope naman na I won't be so alone.
Yeah.
Because it's really so sad and lonely to be all alone. Not that I'm wishing to have a boyfriend, no. I'm still grieving.
Will you?
I can't tell.
Yeah.
I mean, my focus now is, I just want to do God's work.
Right.
I want to do what He's telling me to do. And I want to do it with my kids. I'm happy to be reunited with my kids because for 12 years, medyo napalayo ko sa kanila because I was focusing on my stepkids. So, I'm happy to be with them more often than I used to. And I'm glad that I'm focusing on, kumbaga kung dati, naku, ito walang yato dapat anuhin ko to. Hindi, nandun na ako sa I'll take the higher road. Parang I'll do this and one day you'll wake up and realize, I did her something wrong.
That's Dina 3.0.
Yeah.